So I'm going to tell you a little bit about our 2012 Omega Point. It is the inaugural vintage of this wine, and it has a really sort of fun story behind it. So normally when I blend in the lab in a very sterile environment and very accurate with my graduated cylinders and pipettes. But when I blended Omega Point, it was sort of a serendipitous thing. I was in the cellar, I tasted 4 experimental, really special barrels from some of our best vineyards, and I decided that I would blend them in equal proportions. So I just took my thief and added 50 mLs of each into my glass, and what I tasted was astounding, and it was one of those aha moments in winemaking where you've been working for so many years to try to create something that's transcendent, and I felt like this wine did that. So Omega Point is a philosophical term. It denotes the maximum level of complexity and consciousness towards which the universe is evolving. And I think it's a great parallel for how winemakers feel about wine. Every year is the next step in evolution. We're trying to extract more poetry from our vineyards and make greater wines each year. So we always hope that we're evolving towards maximum complexity. So the name really felt like a great parallel to this Cabernet. So I'm really looking forward to sharing this new creation from Chimney Rock with all of you. Cheers.